Hey there, curious minds! Welcome to our intriguing corner of the internet, where we dive headfirst into the enigmatic world of money and its secrets. Buckle up because we're about to challenge the very foundations of how we perceive money and its inner workings. Have you ever wondered what money really is? Is it just a simple tool of exchange, or does it hold hidden powers that shape our lives in mysterious ways? Well, you're not alone. We're here to question the conventional wisdom and peel back the layers of complexity surrounding money. Let's begin. In our modern world, money plays a central role in almost every aspect of life. It determines our ability to acquire necessities and luxuries, influences our standard of living, and shapes our aspirations and dreams. But have you ever stopped to ponder the origins and mechanisms behind this ubiquitous entity we call money? This comprehensive crash course delves into the intricate relationship between our world and the realm of high finances, with the ultimate goal of gaining a deeper understanding of the economic illusion that keeps the wheels of our global economy spinning. The evolution of money. Contrary to what some might believe, the concept of money, at least in its physical form, has seen relatively little change over thousands of years. The first traces of what we now recognize as a banknote appeared in China at around 118 BCE in the form of a piece of leather. Fast forward nearly 900 years and paper currency came into fruition, making a significant milestone in the evolution of money. Over time, these concepts spread across continents and cultures, eventually finding their way to Europe and beyond. Astonishingly, the basic concepts of currency invented by the Chinese remain strikingly similar to the monetary systems we employ today. The only significant difference lies in what these notes and coins represent. As societies and economies progressed, the need for a standardized system of valuing currency became apparent. The gold standard emerged as the first genuine global attempt to link the value of currencies to tangible assets. Originating in England during the early 1800s, this system pegged a currency's value directly to a specified amount of gold. For example, in the United States, $1 was equivalent to 1/50th of an ounce of gold. The gold standard aimed to establish stability in the monetary environment worldwide, and it largely succeeded for a considerable period. However, like all natural resources, the supply of gold proved to be less fixed than initially believed. As a result, countries began to abandon the gold standard as means of measuring the value of money. In a historic move, US President Richard Nixon officially severed the convertibility between dollars and gold in 1971, making the US dollar the global standard currency, independent of any physical asset. This paradigm shift introduced the era of fiat currency, where the value of money is derived from the government backing and the interplay of economic supply and demand. Fiat currency and the role of governments. In today's world, fiat currency dominates the global financial landscape. Unlike the gold-backed system, fiat currency holds no intrinsic value. Its worth is derived from the confidence and trust vested in the issuing government. Consequently, governmental financial systems play a crucial role in controlling and regulating the circulation of money. In the United States, the Treasury and the US Mint are responsible for overseeing the printing of physical money, though the majority of money exists solely as digital numbers in the financial system. Digital money and money circulation. The proliferation of digital technology has revolutionized the way money moves in the modern economy. Today, the vast majority of money exists as digital numbers on computers, credited to commercial banks by a country's central bank. The central bank exercises control over how much money it deposits into the commercial banks, a process influenced by the prevailing economic situation in the country. During exceptional circumstances, such as the earlier stages of the pandemic, direct payments, like stimulus checks, were sent to the bank accounts to provide immediate financial relief to citizens. However, in routine situations, the central bank credits money to commercial banks, and these banks distribute the money into the economy by providing loans to their customers. This cycle ensures the circulation of money, allowing it to flow through various sectors and economic activities. The burden of debt and the rise of credit cards. While money undoubtedly facilitates transactions and enhances our quality of life, it comes with a significant burden for many individuals: debt. In today's consumer-driven society, approximately 80% of Americans find themselves in some form of debt. For some, the idea of paying off debt can be emotionally distressing, and the rising cost of living often outpaces the money earned for a living. As a result, loans have become a necessity for various life milestones, such as purchasing a car, starting a small business, going to college, or buying a house. Banks, as pivotal players in the financial landscape, facilitate loans but also aim to make a profit. Interest is the amount borrowers pay to use the money loaned by a bank or financial institution. Similar to paying rent for an apartment, borrowers pay interest for the privilege of using money for their desired purposes. This concept extends beyond significant investments like houses and college tuition. It permeates our daily lives, thanks to the widespread adoption of credit cards. Credit cards have transformed the way we handle money and transactions. They allow us to make purchases on credit, even when we don't have enough cash in hand. For small expenses like sandwiches and clothing, to more significant acquisitions like gadgets and appliances, credit cards enable convenient buying power. When used wisely and balances are paid on time, credit cards can serve as a financial buffer and even contribute to building good credit, which is essential for major financial undertakings like leasing apartments or financing vehicles. However, the allure of credit cards also comes with risks. Accumulating credit card debt, especially during challenging economic times, can quickly lead to significant financial hardships. Consequently, managing credit wisely and exercising caution while using credit cards become critical aspects of personal financial health. Investing, making money work for you. For those seeking to build wealth and achieve financial goals, investing represents a crucial strategy. Investing entails committing money to assets with the expectation of generating financial returns. The investing landscape offers a wide array of options, each carrying its own level of risk and potential reward. For instance, investments in government bonds are generally safer but offer lower returns, while investing in individual stocks can potentially yield high rewards but also comes with a considerable level of risk. The concept of risk versus reward forms a cornerstone of investing philosophy. Savvy investors weigh the potential for high returns against the possibility of significant losses. While the realm of investing can be complex and unpredictable, it provides a means for individuals to increase their wealth and attain financial security. Measuring worth. Net worth of individuals. Our fascination with financial worth extends beyond just the mechanisms of money. It also encompasses the net worth of individuals, particularly the world's wealthiest. Publications like Forbes and Bloomberg compile lists of the richest people globally, using various sources to estimate their net worth. This process involves tracking down millionaires and billionaires, collecting their personal information, and assessing their assets and liabilities to determine their net worth. However, the calculation of net worth for the wealthy is often a challenging task. Data is not always readily available, and wealthy individuals may employ various strategies to safeguard their financial information. Investment bankers and entrepreneurs, for instance, might hold considerable wealth through their firm's portfolios, the composition of which is typically not publicly disclosed. Similarly, net worth calculations for celebrities can be misleading, particularly when their businesses derive value from their personal involvement. For instance, Kylie Jenner's business success is closely tied to her personal brand, making it challenging to separate her worth from that of her business. In essence, the calculation of net worth involves a complex web of factors and assumptions, making these estimates more of an approximation rather than a precise measure of an individual's wealth. Thank you for being part of this learning experience. I encourage you to continue expanding your financial literacy and sharing this knowledge with others. If you enjoyed this crash course, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any future content. And as always, feel free to leave your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. Until next time, remember that knowledge is power and the journey to financial empowerment has just begun. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep striving for a brighter financial future. Thank you and see you in the next video.